Good morning. Today we've got a lot to talk about. Chances for rain and thunder not only today but into the weekend. Of course, we've declared that first alert weather day because we're looking ahead to some storms that are going to be quite strong, likely on Sunday. Now, a lot can change between now and then, but it's always good to be prepared and be alerted that you might be facing some issues, especially on the weekend when you may be away from home and away from your television. So here's, first of all, a look at our radar right now. We've had a couple of storms move through in our eastern viewing area. We really quieted down since then, and we're looking at some good weather to start the morning. There are some places where we've got some clouds working their way through here, and keeping an eye to the south and west where we're looking at some storms in South Dakota. Those will likely stay to the south, most of them will, but there is the potential that some will impact us as we head further into the day. We'll take a look at that coming up. Our temperatures are mild in the south. We're in the 60s. It's 61 in Fargo, 67 in Grand Forks, and then cool up to the north, only 46 in Langdon. Grand Forks is at 50 degrees. Your winds are out of the north or west, or combination of the two, with wind speeds up to 13 miles per hour in Gwinner. So for today, we have entered a quiet pocket here in the morning hours, and we can expect to see temperatures that are on the rise with plenty of sunshine here to start off the day. Some areas of cloud cover rolling through, but overall mostly sunny. Noon hour, temperatures into the 70s. And then heading into the afternoon, you could see more and more green and yellow and orange on the map. And that's when what's going on south of us kind of lifts northward somewhat. If it does lift north far enough, we're looking at our viewers right along that state line area, west central Minnesota, being impacted by the potential for some rain and some thunderstorms, and the potential that some of them could get strong, or maybe one or two reach severe limits. We're looking at hail and wind gusts being an issue. Temperatures otherwise will be in the 70s to some low 80s. As we work our way into the evening hours tonight, this treks eastward and then eventually winds down as we head into the late night hours and moves on. So we're going to start off our Friday morning on a quieter note to begin the day, and temperatures that are in the 50s to some low 60s. So here's a look at our storm risk for today. We do have that risk for some stormy weather, severe weather potential on the low end, but still there in our very southern viewing area in that deeper green. That's a marginal risk. In yellow, a slight risk, so that's a little bit higher, stepping up in our risk levels. Now, I want to head into the weekend, and this is going to get a little more murky, but it gives you an idea what we're looking at. Saturday and into Sunday, we're looking at late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, the potential for some strong to potentially severe storms. You could see that was moving in the evening hours Saturday night, heading into the overnight hours Sunday, and then we're watching that move out as we head into late Sunday night. So that's the next one to watch for severe weather, a little more organized threat coming up so far with this system, and we're giving you an early warning on that, and that's why we've got the weekend highlighted in red. Staying active and rainy as we head into next week as well, but temperatures 70s to 80s for most of the 7-day planner.
All right, thanks for keeping us updated, Lisa.